This is now a clear global problem. The absolute consensus is that human action is leading to an increase in average temperatures. Absolute consensus.
Well, over the past few weeks, we've been reporting extensively on the heat waves that have hit large areas of Europe, the United States, and parts of Asia. Well, now, leading scientists have told the BBC they're concerned by the recent run of new climate records being set, saying the speed and timing of them is unprecedented. Some fear we're already witnessing worst-case scenarios.
Climate experts say that islands of plastic are accumulating in the world's oceans every year. And they also detected microplastics in remote environments, such as the Antarctic. Legislators are now lobbying for internationally legally binding policies on plastic reduction, and campaigns to encourage everyone to commit to reducing their waste are also on the rise.
We want to turn back to the top story, the dangerous air quality in the eastern part of the country. Dr. on the phone. He's a professor in pediatrics, environmental medicine, and
We interrupt our programming at the request of the Australian Prime Minister. Ever since 2025, all the world leaders have been creating a huge spaceship designed to hold 9.7 billion people, 8.7 million different animal species, and be able to keep everyone alive for 6 years. The ship is called Alpha. Alpha can travel at speeds up to 0.25% the speed of light, grow its own food, make its own water, and can make its own energy source through solar power, treadmill power, and more. The ship is located in China, in Shanghai, and will be leaving in 4 months, giving everyone around the world plenty of time to spend their last days on Earth and get to the ship. We will not be going to Mars. Instead, we will be going to a planet we've named Titan. Titan is a planet like Earth, but it is 5 times bigger, is 64% a jungle planet, and the gravity on the planet is different in a way that allows creatures and plants to grow really big on that planet, so expect to see some big and crazy stuff. Alpha will leave Earth on the 15th of June, 2054. The ship will already have everything humanity needs to survive, so just bring everything you would usually bring on a holiday trip. Getting on the ship costs $0, so don't worry about paying to get on. We are sorry you had to hear this heartbreaking news, but unfortunately the planet is too polluted to fix. Enjoy your last days on Earth while you still can. We interrupt our programming at the request of all world leaders. We and all Alpha citizens have arrived at our new home Titan. You can now look at the planet through our viewing areas. Now isn't this great? We will land on the planet in 42 hours and set up small camps for everyone to stay at while we start building our new cities, towns, farms, and all world leaders will find their new countries to live on. The rebuilding process will take about 10 years, so while we are rebuilding, we recommend you take a look at some of the amazing plants and creatures that will be on Titan. Just remember to bring friends with you and a weapon in case you come across anything dangerous. Don't worry, we will have way more for everyone to do in case you're not into exploring. We hope you will enjoy your new lives on our new amazing planet.
Emissions of greenhouse gases need to peak within the next 3 years if we're to stave off the worst effects of climate change. And even then, We'd still need new technology to suck carbon dioxide out of the skies by the middle of the century. In their latest report, UN scientists are warning we are on course for devastating changes to our climate. And the head of the UN called out government and business leaders for saying one thing on reducing emissions and doing another. Put simply, he said, they are lying and the results will be catastrophic.
We interrupt our programming at the request of the US government. We have lost contact with a cargo ship that was on its way to San Diego, but luckily when we lost contact we also managed to take a photo of the ship before we lost contact with it. Here's the photo. As you can see, it looks like some sort of undiscovered creature attacked the ship. We don't know where it is now, but last time we saw it, it was heading to San Diego. We don't know enough about the creature to know how dangerous it is to humanity. Right now we advise all San Diego citizens do not go out into the ocean. If you manage to sight the creature, alert the authorities, tell them where you last saw the creature and where it was heading. Stay on high alert. Warning, this is not a test. The National Coast Guard has detected a 278 feet tall tsunami heading towards the coast of San Diego. The tsunami will hit the coast of San Diego in 12 minutes. In 7 minutes the tsunami-proof wall will rise in front of the city and stop the tsunami from killing anyone and damaging everything. If you're currently on the beach or on the other side of the wall, pack up your belongings and head towards the city on the other side of the wall. Warning, a large undiscovered creature has started destroying everything in its path. The creature seems to be the same one that attacked the cargo ship on 4/3/2077. The creature looks like a lizard-like animal with large spikes on its back. The creature seems to be heading towards the center of the city and seems to be killing humans whenever it sees them. The US government has sent jets, tanks, helicopters and a stealth fighter to kill or lure the creature away from the city. If you want to survive, leave San Diego now. Only take what you need, like your phone, pets, kids, documents, first aid kit, water and warm clothes. If you are unable to leave San Diego, get to any underground shelter now or hide in the strongest part of your home. We hope you stay safe out there and good luck.